Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold dollar pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair rose 2.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3.5% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street treaded water and gold surged to a record high as investors awaited a Federal Reserve interest rate cut next week. Major US stock indexes floated in mixed territory in midday trading after a rate cut from the ECB, and slightly hotter than expected US producer prices kept outlooks locked on a modest Fed rate cut. Grayscale Investments, a major cryptocurrency investment firm, is debuting a new crypto trust linked to the XRP cryptocurrency. Grayscale officially announced the creation and public launch of Grayscale XRP Trust, which enables investors to gain exposure to XRP. The euro rose against the dollar after European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde dampened expectations for an interest rate cut next month and said the bank will let economic data dictate the next policy move.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Export Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 9 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.